Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to dive into the southwest sector of your home, which in Feng Shui represents love and relationships. And by paying attention to how this area of your home is designed, you can further enhance your love and relationships and improve what you want or what you've got going on. So, hi, my name is Erica Meyer, and I'm an architect and a Feng Shui enthusiast. And I love this system of ancient design practice of Feng Shui, which is about understanding the energy in our home, outside of our homes, and within ourselves, and how it affects us. Feng Shui is this beautiful system where we can explore these 9 different aspects of our lives and how we want to manifest these areas and these realities. And we can reflect that in our homes, no matter what is in your southwest sector of your home. The reason why I love Feng Shui as well and following the compass method versus the BTB method, there's a video for that if you want to see. But my passion and my confidence comes from the compass method, where it is following the sun. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west for all of us. The Feng Shui system has grown over 4,000 years, became more and more complicated, but I think it really started with understanding where this big ball of energy is coming from and using it to our advantage. They started realizing that the system can be applied to all the seasons. It can be applied to the time of day. It can be applied to our lifetimes. And within that southwest sector where the sun is setting is our love and relationship sector. So let's find out ways that we can design and enhance whatever we've got going on in our southwest sector by some beautiful images that I've curated out of old magazines for you. So we can use these fabulous homes as inspiration for how to address our own lives. Okay, so let's start in the exterior of our home. If you are so lucky to have a patio, these big field stones on the bottom, earth energy is the southwest sector of our home, and earth energy is stable. And that's what you want in a relationship. You want to be stable within yourself and within your partner and grow together. So nice solid design here, nice solid materials. In this image, we've got seating for 2 all over the place. So cuddle up and cozy together. And this symmetry is always so important in our homes when we are looking to enhance each partner in our union together. Everybody should be equal. Then let's move inside. And we have this beautiful, look at the sun coming through. Is it setting or rising? Having that vantage point to see the sun coming in, so beautiful. Now, the southwest colors, earthy colors, are typically in that warmer range, but yellows, these browns, the warmer neutrals are the ideal colors. And here we have a different set of neutrals, a little bit deeper neutrals, if that is your thing. Nice, beautiful symmetry going on in this room. Here we go into the dusty, if you like the dustier colors. No matter what your color palette is, you can acknowledge this sector of your home, love and relationships, in the southwest with color or pattern or texture, materials or objects of 2. This is a beautiful space here. I love these 2 lamps here in a beautiful evening sunset color. Masonry floor, nice soothing colors if you have a living room in your space. Now the pattern for earth is square. So if you have wood flooring, if wood flooring is what you want to do, perhaps in that sector of your home, you choose a pattern such as this. You've got a gorgeous, beautiful, wow, look at that living space. And then 2 beautiful matching chairs in this lovey pink color. Going more modern, these cool amoeba shapes and nice symmetry, 2 pillows on each. Now, if you're a maximalist and you want that drench color, now this artwork, it looks like a threesome. I think we're usually talking about pairs, but the color is right on for that southwest sector. Here we could see this deep, rich pattern, more neutral colors, but we've got that square, reminder of that square. It's also got energy to it. So it's very subdued, but that carpet has got a lot going on. Beautiful orange tones. This sweet little lovey den area with shades of pink. And here are these earthy, neutral, pinky tones in a different aspect. And perhaps, is this elephant? Is that an elephant? What is that? Perhaps looking at the setting sun? I don't know what that is. And let me show you this larger room. So you're like, I don't want to do all that color. I don't like color. Okay, fine. This beautiful neutral, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, just remain neutral and beautiful. Okay. But if you do like color, let me show you this guy. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? This is this blue that I'm always seeing at sunset. I just love that color. And keeping with public spaces, but office space, here we go, in a good command position and seeing something of 2 behind here. This might be nice sunset artwork and more office spaces. Let's go to the dining room. Check out this gorgeous, it's pink on the nose, right? And gorgeous and very grand, of course. Here is more subtle, and I love this peak of color in the kitchen area behind, and the symmetry here, symmetry being equal with your partner. And then there's just this very cool, obviously a restaurant space, but beautiful colors that you could put into a kitchen nook as well. Now let's view some bathroom spaces with luxury rose quartz. Rose quartz is often as an object, you can use that, or you can go full board on the walls. Here we have beautiful stone again in the bathroom. Now this is this very pretty blush with more stone, bringing into that earth element, very stable, soothing, calming elements for your home. And limestone shower area. And then look at this. Wow, look at that view. And then this stability of the earth when commanding all of that. And then finally, let's go into the bedroom. The Southwest is a great place for a bedroom, but of course we don't all have, it doesn't work out that way. But if you are fortunate enough to have a bedroom in the Southwest, here are some ways that you can add a nod to the Southwest Feng Shui energy of the earth energy. And this, in this beautiful bedroom here, why I chose this was this wallpaper, this plaid wallpaper. So subtle, but so stable and standing the test of time like you want your marriage to. Now, this piece of artwork is color appropriate. Is it happy or sad? I don't know. That's up to the people who live in this room. Sitting area with beautiful sunset colors. Or maybe you've already decorated, but you've got a accent piece that can be the plaid throw on your bed. And then finally, artwork, once again, you are the one for me. And thank you so much for watching today. I hope that these images give you some inspiration for how to honor love and relationships in the Southwest sector of your home. If you want to see how it happened in Elvis's homes or didn't, check out this video. Or there is a video about the compass method versus BTB that you can find here or there. Thank you once again. Please subscribe. We're going to go through all the areas of our home and how you can enhance them in future videos.